थोड़ा वेस्टर्न करे, you know, try to make it a little more like jazz, like, you know, that जैसे
Mahesh sir, I just want to ask you, isn't she dressed like Juhi Chawla from Hame Rai Pyar Ke?
She looks like Preeti.
And because of the hat, she's tried this hat today and she's going on saying, how do you like my hat?
I'm inspired by Dhoom. हटाओ, अच्छा sorry, disturb कर रहा है. Okay, come on host, take over.
हाँ sorry मैं host हूँ तो क्या करूँ मैं? No basically जब हम लोग ने ये गाना परचेज किया था, खरीदा था हम लोगों ने, तो वी न्यू दैट वी हैव लॉट ऑफ प्रेशर टू लिव अप टू, बिकॉज राहत साहब ने जिस तरीके से बहुत खूबसूरती से ये गाना गाया है, फिर हम लोग ने अरिजीत सिंह के आवाज़ में गाया और वी गॉट अ ब्रिलियंट रिस्पॉन्स. बट करण फेल्ट दैट दिस सॉन्ग नीडेड टू बी रिप्राइज्ड बट इन अ फीमेल वॉइस, क्योंकि ये गाना कभी फीमेल वॉइस में कभी किसी ने गाया नहीं है. And there's a reason to that because ये जो इसका जो pitch है, I've been told is a very very high pitch and most females उनकी voice squeaky sound करती है different. So I think that's why when you got this song, why did you decide to sing it in a different pitch? I mean tone wise.
I think idea था कि इसको थोड़ा western करे, you know, try to make it a little more like jazz, like, you know, that जैसे when you're sitting and you're jamming, you know, like a Coke studio kind of vibe, little bit, like a little feel of like very random, जैसे मैं अपने रूम में बैठी हूँ और गा रही हूँ, no. So I sang it and actually जिस दिन ने हमने ये record किया था, my voice was not very nice. We were promoting, तो आवाज़ थकी हुई थी, तो पापा ने actually आज कहा you should drink lots of cold things क्योंकि जब आवाज़ थकी है you sound nice.
Did you do that?
No.
Also, tell me, you know, like actors, whenever we get a role or whenever we do something, we do a lot of research or we get inspired by somewhere, someone, something. So when you got this song and you had to sing, I remember Karan and Shashank both telling you that don't stick to Rahat Saab's version, sing it in your own way. But did you have any reference, whether Western or Indian, in a way, like just as the way you wanted your voice for people to hear it? Any kind of influence or anything?
I've listened to a lot of music, so it can be like, it can be Beyonce, it can be Miley, it can be Priyanka Chopra, it can be Sunidhi Chauhan, it can be anybody. But whenever I sing it for myself is when it can sound different. So even when I was singing, I was like, मैं ऐसे कर रही थी, ऐसे गा रही थी. तो आज शशांक also, जब भी मैं whenever I would try to sing nicely, बहुत खराब sound होता था. जब मैं ऐसे होती थी और ऐसे गाना गा रही थी, फिर अच्छा होता था. Then a nice take used to come.
No,
it's a bit strange.
Because I don't know how many people have heard Wrecking Ball by Miley, but I found that power, at least in your voice, when I heard Wrecking Ball.
Oh, there are
and
many
I
more
heard
people.
this.
Okay, now we'll ask media can ask questions.
Any questions from the media? The podium is open for you all to ask, and a mic can be passed around. I'm pretty good at this, huh?
Alia, congratulations for your
Hello, how are you? Thank you.
Melodious and breathtaking number.
Thank you.
And who have you inherited this quality from, dad or mom?
Dad, mom, Nana, Nani, sister. Yeah.
Do you
My Nana used to play the violin for Ram Gopal, no? Yeah. Yeah. उस time पे. तो I think music, हमारी विशेष उनके सारे song क्यों hit होते हैं? Obviously there's a year, right? So I think it runs in the family. Music is something that I feel my whole family enjoys thoroughly. Dad भी बहुत अच्छा गाते हैं. He won't sing for you, but
Me and she actually keep having a bet. जब भी कोई गाना निकलता है ऐसे, I ask her, Alia, what do you feel? This song will be a hit or a flop or whatever. And many times she goes wrong also. And that's why I tell her that she has no input in Vishesh film success.
If at all you had to sing this for the opposite sex, who would it be?
If an opposite sex, if someone had to sing.
Barring Varun.
if I had to sing it for anybody else, अभी how many people can I sing one beautiful song for? My dad.
क्यों डुला रहे हो लड़की को?
My dad.
Okay. ट्रेनिंग की है क्या या रियाज करती हो?
नहीं रियाज नहीं करती हूँ, ट्रेनिंग भी नहीं की है. स्कूल में I used to sing in the choir.
Oh. Alia, same thing, you know.
अगर अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगी तो ऑफ कोर्स आई वुड लव टू सिंग. मुझे बहुत मज़ा आता है गाना गाने में. बट मैं डेफिनेटली आई वुड लाइक टू टेक सिंगिंग फॉरवर्ड. मैं सिर्फ फिल्मों में नहीं गाना चाहूँगी. आई लाइक टू वन डे हैव एन एल्बम ऑफ माई ओन. सिंगर्स की छुट्टी नहीं करूँगी बट सिंग आई डोंट नो. नो आई जस्ट वांट टू सिंग. आई लव इट.
Alia, same time, like क्या हम विशेष फिल्म से कभी विशेष कंपनी से कभी गाते हुए सुनेंगे आपकी मूवी में?
पापा
आप एक्चुअली
विशेष फिल्म
महेश
से
सर से ही
कभी-
पूछ लो ये.